tó jọ mẹ́ta ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ kì í ṣe wọn wà gbà yìí gbà fẹ́ dáadáa ẹ lẹ̀ wọ́n wà wọ́n ní mo kí yín gan ẹ ṣe ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ mẹ́yìn o. Know ye not that ye are the temple of God, and that the Spirit of God dwelleth in you? If any man defile the temple of God, him shall God destroy. Because what? The temple of God is holy. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá bà tẹ́ḿpìlì Ọlọ́run jẹ́, Ọlọ́run á pa ẹni ẹran. Torí tẹ́ḿpìlì Ọlọ́run mímọ́ ni. What are you doing with your body? What dirty things are you doing with your body? Your heart ńkọ́? What dirty thoughts, evil thoughts are you thinking? Stop it. Abi, you don't want the Spirit of God in your life again? Oh, Femorara. Then keep your body holy. Don't accommodate evil thoughts. Have you forgotten what Jesus did to those that were buying and selling in the Bible, in the temple? Don't you know? Ọlọ́run down now run down. Keep your body holy. Owó tí mo ní mo yá ẹ o.